In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the long upper shadow bearish indicator, quick and easy. This will be a short step-by-step walkthrough so you can follow along on your own Tradingview chart and start using this candlestick pattern in your analysis right away. First, make sure you're on a chart in Tradingview. Any market and any time frame is fine, as long as you can see the candles clearly. Once your chart is open, look towards the top of the screen for the indicators button. It's usually near the middle of the toolbar at the top of the chart. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up the indicators and strategies window, which is where you can search for and apply all kinds of tools to your chart. When the indicators window pops up, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into that search field and type the word upper. Take your time and spell it correctly, because Tradingview will use what you type to filter all of its built-in indicators and scripts. As you type, you'll notice a list of matching indicators start to appear below. From that filtered list, look for the one called long upper shadow bearish. This is the specific indicator we want to add. It's designed to highlight candles with long upper wicks that may signal potential bearish pressure in the market. Once you spot it in the list, click on it one time. After you click, the indicators window will close automatically and the long upper shadow bearish indicator will be applied directly to your chart. Take a moment to look over your chart and check that it's working. You should now see visual markings or highlights on candles that meet the criteria for a long upper shadow in a bearish context. If you want to adjust how it looks, you can hover over the indicator's name at the top left of the chart, click on the settings icon, and customize colors, styles, or visibility based on your preference. If you'd like to unlock additional features on Tradingview, such as more indicators per chart, more alerts, or more layout options, consider upgrading to a Pro plan. I have an affiliate link in the video description that you can use to sign up for Tradingview Pro. It helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it gives you access to a more powerful charting experience. That's all you need to do to add the long upper shadow bearish indicator quickly and easily.